Best wheeled backpackless travel adventures. They come in various styles, sizes, and features to meet different needs. Choosing the right one can enhance your travel experience significantly. This guide will help you find the best wheeled backpack for your next adventure. Let's explore the top options available on the market today. List number 1. Rolling Backpack, 17-inch water-resistant wheeled laptop backpack. Discover the Matin Rolling Backpack, designed for travel ease and daily use. Perfect for carrying laptops and essentials. Its water-resistant feature ensures protection against unexpected spills. The trolley suitcase style makes it ideal for business trips or college. Great for both men and women seeking convenience and style. Advantages: easy mobility with smooth rolling wheels and a sturdy handle. Water-resistant fabric protects your laptop from unexpected spills. Versatile design suitable for travel, college, and business. Spacious compartments store essentials and electronics securely. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use and reliability. List number 2. Here, a Freewheel wheeled laptop backpack. Effortlessly glide through your day with the High Sierra Freewheel wheeled laptop backpack. This sleek black backpack offers ample space for your laptop and essentials. Durable wheels make transportation a breeze, reducing the strain on your shoulders. Its padded compartment keeps your laptop safe and secure. Perfect for students, travelers, and professionals who need organization and style. Advantages: versatile design suits various travel needs. Use as a backpack or roll it. Durable construction withstands everyday use. Built to last and protect belongings. Ample storage compartments hold essentials. Organize books, gadgets, and more. Comfortable padded straps ensure ease. Carry without strain on shoulders. List number 3. Double handle rolling backpack, black. Perfect for students and travelers, the Rockland double handle rolling backpack offers convenience and style. Its compact 17-inch size makes it easy to carry, while the double handles provide a firm grip. With smooth rolling wheels, navigating busy streets or school hallways becomes effortless. The sleek black design complements any outfit or occasion. Multiple compartments ensure organized storage for books, gadgets, and essentials. Durable and reliable, this backpack is a great choice for daily adventures. Advantages: perfect for travel, this backpack features 2 sturdy handles. Easy to carry. Spacious 17-inch size holds books, clothes, and essentials. Convenient for school. Rolling wheels reduce strain on the back. Effortless mobility. List number 4. Rolling Tactical Laptop Backpack. Experience the versatility of the Oro TA Rolling Tactical Laptop Backpack. Ideal for work, travel, and outdoor adventures. Its durable wheels ensure smooth movement, while the spacious compartments protect your 17-inch laptop. The military-inspired MAL system offers extra storage for all your essentials. This green backpack suits both men and women perfectly. Enjoy convenience and style on the go. Advantages: versatile design suits both men and women. Perfect for everyone. Compact size fits 17-inch laptops. Ideal for work and travel. Durable wheels simplify transportation. No heavy lifting required. MAL system offers extra storage. Carry more essentials easily. Military style and green look stylish. Stand out in any crowd. List number 5. Jansport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. Discover the convenience of the Jansport Driver 8 Rolling Backpack. This versatile bag offers smooth travel with its wheels. It features a 15-inch laptop sleeve, keeping your tech safe and secure. The navy color adds a touch of style to any journey. Ideal for students and professionals alike, it meets both work and travel needs effortlessly. Make every trip comfortable and organized with this reliable companion. Advantages: spacious design fits a 15-inch laptop easily. Smooth rolling wheels make travel effortless. Durable build withstands daily wear and tear. Comfortable padded straps for easy carrying. Multiple compartments keep belongings organized.